When people think of chimney sweeping, they often think of sort of shimmying up chimneys and soot everywhere. These days, chimney sweeping's moved on. It's very clean, it's very efficient, very modern. My journey started back in 2007. I started out on my own, and the business has grown and grown over all these years, and we're now a really busy team. The thing I really love about my job is the variety. There's never a dull moment, and we pride ourselves on really looking after our customers and just making sure everyone's getting the best from their appliance. Chimney sweeping today is still very much needed. We have a massive array of customers, so we started out with a traditional paper diary. You can just see how chaotic that was.
As we added more and more people to the team, it was just too hard to manage.
ServiceMate has revolutionised how the business runs, from the initial booking in the customers right the way through to the reminders our customers receive the day before. Our customers just love being able to see where we are, how long we're going to be, and then they're there waiting for us.
The way that a job is set up on ServiceMate is when a customer calls, they love the fact that you answer the phone, you've got that personal touch, and also we know the details about this particular job because we've got all the information there. ServiceMate is really fantastic for being able to communicate to the team, and all the conversations are logged, so if we ever need to go back and revisit any queries, that's logged onto the system, so that's really fantastic.
The asset management add-on has been invaluable for all our commercial customers. So this allows us to go to a property with multiple appliances, and then we can collect all that information, and then we can present it to our commercial customers as an asset report, which delivers them all the information they need in a nice compact way. Customers are all really happy, and then when it comes to taking payment, it's so easy. We now also use Xero, which we've found have been fantastic with the two linking so well together. And this allows us to reconcile all our payments, just making everything seamless. ServiceMate has really changed how we work as a small team, just makes everybody's life better and hassle-free.